The braking system is one of the most important components of a car. Braking responsible for safety and must always be kept in good condition. The life of brake discs is usually more than 25,000 miles. To understand that the time has come to change them is quite simple. If, when braking, the car starts to vibrate or hits the steering wheel, you can safely go to the service. Using a new braking system can dramatically increase service life. Accelerate the vehicle to 50 to 60 miles and then slowly slow down to 10 miles. Repeat this procedure about 10 times. For the first 200 to 300 kilometers, sharp braking should be avoided. As for diagnostics, the condition of the discs and pads themselves, as well as the brake fluid level, should be checked. If noises appear, a complete service of the brake system should be carried out. Dismantle the caliper, check the condition of all parts, clean and lubricate those elements that need it. The same operation should be repeated with any replacement of brake components.